Got it.
Damn.
That was a good one.
Well, guys, when I started a little JDM fire, we got old flare that came out of my FD that I know they won't let me ship, so I set it off. About to toss some gas on here and let her burn. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Went out too. Fuck. Oh, the ground is sizzling. There we go. That time it worked.
My Jackson.
Well, that's all the gas I had. Well spent. What's going on, guys? So today we are gonna be cleaning up the mess of the shop. It's actually looking pretty empty right now. As you can see, shelves all clear. My shipping company that comes to pick everything up comes in 6 days now. So we gotta get all this stuff out of here. We need to build a crate for all this stuff to go back because I'd rather pack it myself and know that it's packed well. I don't want these irons slamming on each other or against each other and scratching them up. So we're about to use this shelf as my wood, and that way I get rid of a shelf and I don't have to go buy wood. So we're about to start a fire over there once I kind of fix that mess over there. I'm gonna start a fire, get it nice and toasty in here, and then we're gonna start cutting wood. It's been snowing nonstop, so it's pretty cold in here, but we're about to clean this side up, and then my goal is to move everything out of the shop and into the garages. A lot of this stuff, honestly, is going to the dump, so not too worried about it, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. This isn't really a car video. It's just a cleaning and building crates for the engines, so kind of like a vlog, I guess you could say. But yeah, we're about to start the fire and then get to building these crates. Well, guys, so box is kind of done. We got the motor fully assembled, and now tomorrow we just need to cut out the sides and put that together. My drill died, so I can't screw anything. So I'm kind of done for the night. Plus, it's already 9 o'clock, so it's getting late, and I don't want to wake the neighbors up or anything like that. So tomorrow we will be putting the sides on that box, and honestly, I'm gonna weigh this once I'm done. I might reevaluate my plan and just bubble wrap the shit out of each iron, tape them up. You know, I'll use a bunch of bubble wrap on each one, and then I'll tape them up, and then I'll let them box them. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not supposed to ship engines because I didn't put I was, so I don't know how picky they are. I feel like they're gonna know that this box is for sure an engine. I mean, it's gonna be a 200-pound box, so what else would be in there? I guess I could say a diff or something like that. They're probably not car guys, they probably don't know, and I honestly don't know if they care. But we also, this is taking a little more wood than I thought it would. I kind of forgot about the two sides. We have enough to build 2 boxes, 2, maybe 3, but I forgot about the front pieces, so didn't take that into account. I could ghetto rig it, and like this leftover stuff right here, I could cut that and put 2 of them on there. Maybe I'll do that, I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, we'll see how this box goes, how much it weighs at the end, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so here it is. We have one side on, well, kind of on. I need to screw it in fully, but screw it in one side. So that's the box. That's what it's gonna look like inside of there. So it'll be chilling in there. I need to slide. Ooh, might have to slide. Yeah, damn. I have to slide this forward. Whoops. I should have paid attention to that. Oh well. So anyways, I need to slide this motor forward and then box it up. We'll be done. Well, guys, our box is made. Like I said, that took way too long. It's not perfect, of course, but hey, it's a box that is gonna hold our engine. I made little cutouts. It's pretty sketchy because I don't have a jigsaw, so I used that guy to cut it. Got a little sketchy, but it worked. It is pretty much all sealed. You can see it wasn't perfect right there. I cut that top piece a little bit too long, but whatever. It's a box, and it's not too heavy. I mean, I can lift one side by myself. So 2 guys should be no problem. I don't think they'll have an issue with it, but we're gonna go ahead and start bubble wrapping these because like I said, this took way too long. So my plan here is to bubble wrap each one individually. Then I have a 2,000-foot roll of saran wrap. We'll saran wrap it after we bubble wrap the hell out of it. So that's what I'm about to do next. Well, I'm glad my buddy brought this roll of saran wrap over. Yeah, this is gonna be the way to go, I think, with this. I'll still have them put it in boxes to protect the corners and stuff like that, but yeah, I did like 2 layers of bubble wrap, and then I just saran wrapped the hell out of it. So that's 1 iron. Hopefully we'll have enough saran wrap. I don't think we're gonna go through 2,000 feet. That's quite a bit. So we definitely should have enough, and now these could be stacked, and they seem to be pretty sturdy. So I think this is the way to go. I went ahead and I put oil on all of the surfaces just to keep them lubed up and from any corrosion or anything like that getting on them. It's probably a little bit overkill, but why not? I have oil to waste, and it's not gonna hurt, so better safe than sorry. I know I had a few irons that were ported, and it started getting a little surface rust in the port job where it was like bare metal, so we're just gonna put some oil on it and keep it lubed up, like I said. But yeah, so we're about to go ahead and do the rest of these. I'm not gonna film it, 'cause it's probably really boring. Fire is roaring still. It is pretty toasty in here. We packaged up all the irons, all the housings, and the rotors. I kind of wish that I didn't do that and just did this, because there's no way these are getting damaged with how much bubble wrap and saran wrap I put on them. I still have over half the roll left, at least half the roll, so, oh yeah. So those are secured. Now we already took down one shelf, but we're about to take all of these and clear off all of this. I'm giving away all the fluids, and a lot of this spray paint is empty, so I already started a little empty pile there and a giveaway pile there, so. The fire is ripping now. We're about to burn all the wood. The shop is looking cleaned up. That guy came and picked up all the shelves. Still gotta burn that stuff, but yeah, I'm basically gonna organize everything in this corner. What's going, what's staying. Everything that's going will be in this corner, and I'm gonna use that little side shop as a basically a junk. Just throw whatever junk stuff in there. So I'm gonna burn that wood. Someone's coming to pick up the turbos, and then just gotta sort through this crap and we'll be done in here. I cleaned out the shop, so the only thing left is the light right there, which someone's gonna pick up. I have a Skyline hood I'm gonna keep, and then I need to sweep in there, but yeah, that's all cleaned up, so. I just pulled the truck up, disconnected it from the other trailer so they can fit it in the driveway. There's the other one, but everything is fully packed up for the most part. Still gotta do this stuff. I think they're probably just gonna toss all this stuff in, but it's crazy. I'm finally getting out of here. Everything is gone. The shop is empty. So pretty nuts. The house was super quick. So now they're just working on the garage and the shop. So we'll be on our way to North Carolina here very, very soon. So I'm pumped, can't wait. I need to figure out how to ship my other 3 RX-7s down there. So hopefully the Chaser will be waiting for us by the time I get there, because I'm taking a little vacation en route, so it'll be pretty dope. It takes 3 people to carry the engine out. This dude just tried pushing my engine and let out the biggest fart ever when he was pushing it into the corner. Paperwork signed, and we're ready to get out of here. It's crazy. There's literally nothing left in any of the rooms now. So we're gonna be camping inside our house for a week. Well, not even 5 days, and I'm moving to my buddy Sergio's for a couple days, and then into a hotel. Well, that's it. They're hooking up, and they are gone. So